Have you ever encountered this error when visiting a web page on Chrome? Now, if you're unable to access specific web pages or websites because of this error, here are some few fixes that may help. First, verify that your date and time settings are correctly configured. To do this, right-click on the date and time on the taskbar, select Adjust Date and Time, confirm your time zone, and enable automatic time sync. Next to that, attempt some basic fixes for Chrome. Like for an example, clear your browser's cache and cookies, update your Google Chrome to the latest version, and consider disabling or removing any extensions. You'd also investigate whether the issue is specific to a particular website or if it occurs consistently throughout your browser. To do this, visit other pages within the same website or navigate to the different websites to see if the problem persists. Now, if you only encounter the error on one website, it is likely isolated to that website. Lastly, make sure your default Internet Time Server is selected. Just right-click on the date and time, choose Adjust Date and Time, click Additional Clocks, go to Internet Time tab, click Change Settings, select this from the Server menu, and ensure that the option Synchronize with an Internet Time Server is checked. Finally, click OK, then Apply, and select OK again to save the changes. So that's how you can fix this error on your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.